Tell me about what you got here.
I got lots of dinners.
Well, what are you going to do today?
I'm going to go hunting with Matt.
Hunting with Mike. Okay. Michael Knight. That is 10 pounds.
Can I have my soda for me?
Sam, is that heavy?
It is.
What all is in your pockets?
It's too heavy for me.
Here, what's in those pockets? You have a bar in here,
Bar in here.
a bar there. Come here, come here, come here, come here. And you have 2 Gatorades in your backpack. Michael Knight. And what did Michael ask you to carry?
Soda.
A soda.
Yeah.
Do you want to see his soda? God,
Carry my soda
actually,
for
he's
me.
pretty strong, Mike. 10 pounds. Take that. Sam.
Why you gotta expose my plan?
Sam.
That's exactly what Dad would have done.
Yes. You're just like your dad. Meanie. Sam, look at me. Sam. Are you ready to go hunting with Mike?
Yeah.
What are you going to hunt for?
I'm going to hunt for jackrabbits and deer and antelope.
So you're bringing home dinner? Okay. So tell Daddy you're going hunting.
Daddy, I'm going hunting.
You excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need anything else? Do you have all your supplies?
Yep.
Hey, show Daddy your knife.
If you poke yourself in the eye with,
Don't poke yourself in the eye with it.
if you stab your eye really hard, then you're gonna have to go to hospital.
Yeah, we don't want to go to the hospital, do we?
No, because I don't want to get any more stitches on my eye.
No, eyeball stitches are not fun. Is your knife very sharp?
Oh yeah. It can make you bleed. Cut yourself, poke yourself, and cut yourself on the leg.
You're quite the dude. You got your camo pants, you got your tactical vest.
My knife and my supplies.
You gonna take Abby with?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.